made an adjustment to the furnace. Only been running for about 15 minutes. I've got molten brass already. In addition to the brass I was melting for a test run, the other night after I got that furnace working, I cast a bunch of copper backing plates for welding thin stuff or filling in weird places. I make these for Nova Industries. And this was surprising. This took about an hour and a half to make, to pour 12 of them. And what's really bad is using charcoal, it took an hour to make 2. So that's really sped things up. And I made these little bar molds too, so I can cast. There's that yellow jacket again. I hate that thing. I made this little bar mold so I can cast multiple bars rather than packing up a sand mold specifically for these. That's a little redundant. Yeah, that modification to run propane works really, really well. What's changed in this design is I used to just blow air straight in through that pipe on the bottom to mix with the charcoal. Now I've added an additional pipe that comes straight up with the propane fittings going in the end. That allows it to mix down here before it goes in. And that's really the only difference. I added an elbow, an extension of pipe, moved the blower up here, and then bought a fitting that would adapt the propane hose to a iron pipe nipple, put a ball valve in just for a quick shut off if I need it. And that's all the difference in the furnace. If I have to, I can still run charcoal. I just leave that ball valve shut and run the blower through the charcoal.